Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your DisplayPort if it says no signal in Windows 10 or 11. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Physical checks first, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and open up a notepad just for you to understand what I'm trying to say. Now in here, check physical connections, okay? Unplug the DisplayPort cable from both the monitor and computer. Again, both the monitor and computer, then firmly plug it back in. You can go ahead and switch, okay, from point A to point B of your cable. For example, you tried point A before to your monitor and then point B straight up to your computer. Well, do it the other way around, okay? Point B on monitor, now point A on computer. And do make sure that you plug it in firmly, okay? Now, if that doesn't work, do a power reset, okay? You can go ahead and shut down your computer and then unplug the monitor's power cable. If it's connected to a power brick or a power extension, well, go ahead and unplug it from the main socket, okay? Unplug it, wait for about 30 to 60 seconds, as well as your computer. If you're using a desktop or laptop, okay, press the power button for about 10 to 30 seconds just to drain the power, all right? And then once that's done, wait for another 30 seconds. And then after that, go ahead and reboot your computer and hopefully it will detect your connection now, okay? Or the DisplayPort connection. Now, if that doesn't work, don't worry, we still have plenty of options, okay? Use your monitor's controls, okay? You can go ahead and navigate to the input source section, okay? And basically select DisplayPort, okay? Again, this one is from your monitor settings, not your computer settings. And this one, most of the time, is the fix, okay? Some monitors do automatically detect whichever connection it is. It could be a HDMI, DisplayPort, okay, or Lightning. It will just automatically detect. If yours didn't automatically detect, well, go ahead and use this option, okay? Now, if your computer boots up and you still see, okay, this error where it says no signal, well, you can just go ahead and press Windows key plus Control plus Shift plus B simultaneously, okay? Hold it until your monitor flickers. If it does, well, it works. If not, well, the problem might be on the cable itself. Or, sadly, your DisplayPort's port. Okay, if that makes sense. So what you can do, if that's the case, first up, you can go ahead and try a different display cable or try HDMI first. If HDMI works, well, the problem is the DisplayPort cable or the DisplayPort port, okay? Now, if HDMI still doesn't work, well, the problem is within your monitor. You might want to get it checked by a local technician, or if it's still under warranty, go ahead and ship it for replacement, okay? Now, if you're using a dual monitor, just for example, okay, you can just go ahead over to the device manager, okay? Again, if you use dual monitors and under display or monitors, make sure that you see your second monitor. If not, again, the problem is the monitor itself. All right. Or you could go ahead and try to at least update your NVIDIA drivers. You can go ahead and right click. Now click on update, browse right here. Let me pick and maybe revert back to the old versions or try the newer one. Hit on next and hopefully it helps. Okay. But that's it for now. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.